What is up, everyone? Welcome back to this channel. I'm super excited for you guys to be here. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Dominic Barbado, and I'm assuming since you clicked this video, you want to make that Wi-Fi bread. And in this video, we are going over exactly that with the best ways for you to make money while traveling in 2021. All the ideas mentioned in this video require you to have little to no money. If you're persistent enough in all of the mentioned topics and resourceful in every action you take, I have no doubt in your success in life or in these endeavors. The world of making money online or from a non-traditional way is becoming more and more popular and increasingly easier for everyone to get a share of Wi-Fi bread going into 2021. Here are 4 ways you may not have heard of before. First up is Airbnb rental arbitrage. Airbnb is on the top of our list here, mainly because it is something I plan to document on this channel in 2021. Airbnb has just went public as a company and is now valued at over $75 billion. This platform will only grow larger and become more vastly used. All you have to do to make money with Airbnb is rent out a spare room that you may have in your house. If you don't, you can rent out an entire apartment, put it on Airbnb, then bam, you collect the cash flow and profits in between. This is Airbnb arbitrage. You can set up your Airbnb to run hands off and can have property anywhere in the world. Real estate in the 21st century can be run from your phone with simple cameras and key code access to doors, as well as on-demand cleaning and property management services. It really has never been easier to become a landlord. Second up is selling a service or course in your area of expertise. Yes, this does require a little bit of backing skill and prior knowledge in some areas of expertise. But with free platforms to learn from like YouTube and Coursera, we have no more excuses anymore to become more knowledgeable in something, whatever that may be. Selling a course allows you to produce content once and update it a few times a year thereafter. You then set up a Teachable or Thinkific website, as well as other platforms out there, and run ads to said pages and get traffic to these pages. And once you have traffic and people, you start racking in those dollar bills. This requires some knowledge, so as always, make sure you learn first before you begin. The next topic is something that has become the bread and butter of the new generation: producing content to get exposure and be paid by large brands or from ad revenue. I suggest starting with either TikTok or YouTube and producing content to different mediums on the internet to get a share of income for life. I truly believe producing content that people enjoy, love, and want to consume has many benefits beyond just the money. But since this video is all about making money, let's talk about monetization of both YouTube and TikTok. For both platforms, it requires an immense upfront dedication in terms of viewership. Both YouTube and TikTok require a minimum amount of views in order to be accepted into their content creator programs, which will then pay you out monthly. I believe TikTok is the next and new trend of content, if you believe in chasing trends. But YouTube has been around longer and has cemented its space in the online video platform world as the best. Whichever route you choose, first pick a topic of interest, and then that is your topic that you will focus on for that given channel. Once you have a focus, create content around it. Look up keyword trends and make sure other people are also interested in these topics. As with all these things mentioned in this video, making money passively requires an immense prior workload. But I personally would rather front load work for a nice supply of income afterwards and for years to come. Once you put a video out there, it doesn't just disappear, it keeps getting views day in and day out, whether you do something or not. Each view pays a certain CPM, and depending on what you're doing, this can be up to $50 per 1,000 views. That is pretty good. But next up, let's talk about something that I think anyone can do with any skill level. All you have to do is start, and that is pretty much it. Selling services on websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. And by services, I mean anything. You can write blogs, books, and you can translate stuff, maybe if you know a second language. There are countless tasks available for you to do while traveling the world and exploring the globe. Everyone wants the laptop lifestyle, but does everyone want to work around the clock like most laptop lifestyle people? As with all things, we must be willing to work with others, learn new skills, build ourselves up, and have a portfolio to keep adding more clients to. None of these things mentioned will be an overnight success for you, but all of the things mentioned can be made to support your lifestyle and your passivity and the traveling you want to do in life from your computer. Isn't that what we all want in life? Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Let me know down below what you think about these things. And if you'll be pursuing any of the topics, please comment down below. I'd love to talk more. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro.